Hi there, I'm Manand. Welcome back to the grammar lesson. Hope that you are doing well. Okay, in this lesson we are going to identify three past modal verbs: should have done, could have done, would have done. These are all used hypothetically to talk about things that didn't really happen in the past. So we imagine a situation in the past that did not happen. Okay, the should have, could have, would have done are sometimes called model of lost opportunity because they describe situation when we are imagining that the past was different. Okay, remember these three modal verbs we use to emphasize same situation in the past, but we use them in different way. Okay everyone, let's go through some example to identify how to use these modal verbs and what is the difference between should have done, could have done and would have done. Okay, look at these examples. He should have completed his graduation. He could have completed his graduation, but he didn't try hard enough. He would have completed his graduation if he had not faced a financial crisis. Look at the first example. He should have completed his graduation. Okay, remember we use the should have done phrase to indicate that something we had to do in the past but didn't. Now we regret about lost opportunity in the past that we had to take on. And also we use this phrase to give recommendation or advice for past action. Look at the example. He should have completed his graduation. Here we use should have done phrase or should have completed to indicate something that we had to do in the past but didn't. It means he didn't complete his graduation, but now he wished that he had. But time phrase has gone in present. He regret about lost opportunity in the past. Okay, remember we use should have done phrase to denote imaginary past that we wish but did not happen. Look at the example. He didn't complete his graduation. Result, he failed the exam. Now he regret about the lost opportunity in the past and imagine in the past he wished that he had graduated. He could have completed his graduation, but he didn't try hard enough. Okay, here we use could have completed or could have done phrase, so it also expresses same idea. It means he didn't do his graduation. Result, he failed the exam, but now he doesn't regret extremely about the past because he had the ability to complete graduation, but he decided to not to do it. So he didn't try hard enough to complete graduation. Remember, we use could have done phrase to indicate that something was possible in the past because you had the ability to complete something in the past, but you did not because you decided to not to do it. That is your choice. Okay, right. Let's turn our attention on the third example. Look at the last example. He would have completed his graduation if he had not faced a financial crisis. Okay, here we use would have done phrase. It also mentioned same idea. It means he didn't complete his graduation because of some reasonable reasons. Actually, he wanted to complete his graduation in the past, but he couldn't do that because he had to face financial crisis. If he had not faced financial crisis, he would have completed his graduation. Okay, remember we can use this would have done phrase to talk about something you wanted to do in the past, but you couldn't do it with some external influences. In this example, he didn't complete his graduation because of he had to face financial crisis. Okay, run. Remember again, we use this should have done, could have done and would have done phrase to talk about imaginary past or hypothetical situations in the past. Remember, we use should have done phrase to express something that we had to do in the past but we didn't. Now we regret about the lost opportunity in the past. And also we can use could have done phrase to talk about something we had ability to do in the past but we didn't do it because we decided to not to do that. We don't have much regret about the past. Okay, we can use should have done to express something we wanted to do in the past but we couldn't do that with some external influences. Okay everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about difference between should have done, could have done and would have done phrases. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.